Hey everyone, welcome to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to recover H&M account password. H&M is a shopping platform where you can find various items ranging from women's clothing, men's clothing, kids wear, and home items, also sportswear and other items as well. So now, without any further ado, let's get started with our process. First of all, you have to launch any web browser on your mobile device. Now go to the search box and search for www.hm.com. This link will lead us to official website of H&M. So once you're here on the website, you can see various options here, but we have to tap on this person's icon at the top. So let's tap on it. Now, in this process, we don't have to enter our email address and password as we're about to recover our account's password. So you can see this option of forgot password just below the empty field of password. So we have to tap on this option of forgot password. Now over here, you have to enter your email address that you used to create your account so that H&M can send you a recovery link in order to reset your password. So make sure that you enter your correct email address. Okay, now let me enter my email address here. Now simply tap on submit. Now go to your email address and check for the link that H&M has sent to you. So let's open our email address. Now you can see that an email has been sent to you with recovery links. So you can see that to reset your password, you have to click the link below. And in case this link above does not work, you have also been given the second link that you can use to recover your password. So for now, let me select the link that is on top. Now after selecting a link, you will be directed to this page where you have to create a password and confirm the new password for your H&M account. So let me start by creating a new password for my account. Make sure that you create a strong password that meet the criteria listed below. That is minimum of 8 characters, 1 number, 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase letter. So let's confirm the password. And after entering the password, you have to simply tap on this option of change password. Now let's tap on it. Now you can see that you have been able to successfully reset your password and you have been able to recover your H&M account password. And now you can continue with your shopping through H&M platform. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for further informative and guide tutorial videos.